Hi students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about C keywords. What is a keyword? What is the purpose of keyword? So what is the function of each keyword? And how we are going to write a C program by using these keywords. So we should understand what is a keyword. So C keywords are reserved words in the C programming language. So these words convey special meaning to the C compiler. Keywords are always written in lowercase letters. Keywords cannot be used as a variables and function name. There are total 32 keywords are there in a C language. Okay. So first C keywords are reserved words. For example, I am writing int a equal to 10, right? So int is a keyword. Int is a keyword. So which represents the data type of the integer data type. Okay. Na? So for example, I am writing float, so b equal to 10.37. So float is a keyword which represents the decimal point numbers. Okay, so like that each keyword has its own special meaning to the compiler. So keywords are always written in the lowercase. All the keywords, there are total 32 keywords are there: int, character, float, if else, switch, right, while, and do while. So like there are 32 keywords are there. All the keywords must be written in the lowercase letters only, and so keywords cannot be used as a variable names. For example, I am writing here int float equal to 10. I should not write like this because int is a keyword, float is also a keyword. Actually, in place of this we should write like this: int a equal to 10. Okay na? But in the place of variable, so I should not write a keyword. This is wrong. Okay, so like this, so the keywords cannot be used as a variable names as function names. So what are the keywords are important? Keywords are define the syntax and structure of C program. They are used for declaring variables, functions, data types, and control flow. So there are key characteristics of a C keyword. Keywords are reserved words. Keywords are predefined functionality. Keywords are case sensitive. Keywords are building blocks for constructing a C program. So there are 6 types of keywords are there: data type keywords, storage class keywords, control flow keywords, type qualifier keywords, function related keywords, and miscellaneous keywords. So data type keywords, as the keywords says that these keywords stores the data, right? Integer data, float data, character, void. And storage class keywords: auto, register, static, extern. These are the keywords which are used to store the data. So, and control flow keywords, right? So conditional keywords: if, else, switch, case, and default. And loops: for, while, do while. These are the loops. And there are control loops: break, continue, go to, and return. So these are the control flow keywords. So dear students, you need not remember these keywords. As you know the C programming, as you learn the C programming, everything you will come to understand. At the end of before some exams, you are going to understand all the keywords. So need not worry about it now. Just listen different types of keywords. So next, the type qualifier keywords: constant keyword, volatile keyword, signed keyword, unsigned keyword, short and long keywords. And there are function related keywords are void, return. So these are the function related keywords. When you come to the function class, we'll understand about it. And miscellaneous keywords: sizeof, typedef, structure, union, and enum. These are the miscellaneous keywords. So there are total 32 keywords are there. We need not by heart and need not remember this. So as you learn the program, everything this comes under part of the program. You are going to perform so many programs. So all these keywords, by using all these keywords, you are going to write different types of program. Then you will come to understand, okay, the importance of these 32 keywords. But you need not worry about now and need not by heart, and okay, so very easy to understand. So there are some examples I have given here. So this is a integer keywords, right? Integer keywords which is used to store into values only, means integer values only, right? So here integer is a keyword, right? So which represents the integer data type. Okay, so this return is a keyword and int is a keyword. So first one, all the keywords are written in the lowercase letters, and so all the keywords are highlighted in the program. So no need to worry about logic of this program. Just I am explaining this for so how the keywords you are going to write in your program. So there is a float. So float is a keyword, right? So which is used to store decimal values. Okay, float is a keyword which represents the, it stores only floating point values, sorry, decimal points into the variable of pi. There's a character is a keyword, right? So which is used to store the characters inside it, and character is a data type. So the letter is a word, sorry, variable which represents the variable has to store only character type data. And there is a return function related keywords int return. Okay, and there is a conditional loops statements. So here you understand, right? So if is a keyword and else is a keyword, right? So these are how you are going to use for conditional and looping statements for loop. So for loop is a keyword which is used for looping algorithms. A program will be repeated so until that condition fails, so that I'll discuss later. And while, so there is a while and do while, there are two keywords are there. So this is also nothing but, so we are going to represent like this in the program. Okay, some break, continue, right? So these are the different so break is one keyword, right? So continue is also a keyword, right? So these are various keywords so which are going to use various programs according to the programming process. So void, no return type. So here void we are using here. Okay, finally, so there are 32 keywords are there in the C language. They are reserved and predefined. Each keyword has a specific meaning. These keywords form a core building blocks of any C program. So keywords are must be written in lowercase, and keywords cannot be used as a used as a function names, variable names. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like, and thanks for watching.